If you are looking for a true 5.1 channel home theater system that delivers a real cinema-like experience at home, where explosions feel powerful, background score surround you, and dialogues stay perfectly clear, then this video is exactly what you need. Today I'm going to show you some of the best and most powerful 5.1 soundbar, offering immersive surround sound, deep bass, and a proper home theater experience across different budget categories. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you enjoy honest, no-nonsense type content, subscribe to the channel for more. Let's get started. The first soundbar on this list for those who want a proper home theater feel, not just louder TV audio but a cinematic upgrade. This is the Crossbeats Blaze B1000. It's a 5.1 channel home theater system with a massive 525 watt power output, and that power is clearly noticeable from the first scene. Whether you are watching movies, OTT content, or playing music at a high volume, the sound fills the room effortlessly. The quad driver setup combined with a powerfully tuned subwoofer adds serious depth to action scenes while keeping dialogues clean and audible. Explosions feels impactful, background music sounds layered, and vocals never get lost. A dedicated center channel further improves dialogue clarity, especially noticeable during movies and news content. Connectivity options include HDMI, ERC, optical, USB, aux, and Bluetooth. Even the design looks premium and blends well with modern living room setups. Price around 8,499. Best buying link in the description, you can check it out. Next up is a great option for users who want true surround sound on a tight budget. The Boat Avante Prime 5.1 offers a 500 watt RMS 5.1 channel setup designed especially for immersive movie watching, movies, gaming, and OTT content. All sound powerful and room filling. The highlight here is Dolby Audio. Instead of a flat sound, you get better separation, improved depth, and clear content and clear center focused dialogues. This system includes a wide subwoofers and two wide or rear speakers, which creates a genuine 5.1 soundbar effect. Yes, cable management is required, but in return you get better immersion than most virtual surround systems. You also get EQ modes, music, movies, and news. Connectivity includes HDMI, ERC, optical, USB, aux, and Bluetooth version 5.3. Price around 8,999. Best buying link in the description, you can check it out. If you want a real surround sound without the mess of rear speakers cables, this one stands out. The Zebronic Jaguar 9900WS Pro is a Dolby Audio 5.1 system with a total 525 watt output. Its biggest advantage is the dual wireless rear satellite speakers, which keeps installation clean and clutter free. Sound positioning feels accurate, dialogues stay centered, effects come from the sides and rear, and music fills the entire room. Dolby Audio decoding adds depth and clarity, making movies feel more cinematic. Whilst it doesn't support Dolby Atmos, the Dolby Audio 5.1 performance is immersive for the price. The 16.5 cm subwoofer delivers punchy controlled bass without distortions. Connectivity includes HDMI, ARC, optical, USB, aux, and Bluetooth. Price is just 11,299. Best buying link in the description, you can check it out. For those who trust Sony's sound engineering, the HD S20R delivers a true 5.1 channel experience. This system includes a 3-channel soundbar, wide rear speakers, and a dedicated subwoofer. Sound doesn't feel virtual, effects clearly come from behind, making action scenes more immersive. Powered by Dolby Digital Audio, dialogues remain clear, background music sound rich, and bass stays controlled. With 400 watt output, it may seem lower on paper, but Sony's tuning make it feel powerful and balanced in real use. Price is just around 14,989. Buying link in the description, you can check it out. And if your movies are your top priority, the LG S65TR offers one of the most cinema-like experience in this category. It delivers 600 watt output with a real 5.1 channel surround sound setup and wireless rear speakers for a clean installation. LG CI Sound Pro automatically adjusts audio based on what you are watching, movies, music, news, or sports. Dialogues become clearer, background scores feel balanced, and action scenes hit with authority. The wireless subwoofer adds deep cinematic bass without overpowering the mix. LG TV users also get a wow interface, allowing soundbar control directly from the TV. Price around 21,990. Best buying link in the description. So finally, all 5 soundbars offer excellent value within their respective price ranges. For maximum power on a budget, Crossbeats Blaze B1000. For affordable true surround, Boat Avante Prime 5.1. For a clean wireless surround setup, Zebronics 9500WS Pro. Or for brand trust and balanced sound, Sony ST-S20R. And for a premium cinematic experience, LG S65TR is the best. Your ideal choice depends on your budget, room size, and how immersive you want your audio to feel. All best buying links are available in the description. If this video helped you, hit like, share your pick in the comments, and subscribe for more honest home theater reviews. See you in the next one. Enjoy your cinematic setup. For more honest home theater reviews. See you in the next one. Enjoy your cinematic